even the most vulnerable species can be saved. The takahe is a rare bird once thought to be extinct until it was rediscovered in 1948. This large bird is another testament to New Zealand's unique fauna, having developed without pressure from predators. The rediscovery of takahe was an important milestone in New Zealand's conservation history, and since then, protection efforts for this species have been widely implemented. Currently, there are fewer than 500 takahe individuals, living in protected areas and closely monitored. Takahe have vibrant green and blue feathers along with a powerful beak. They mainly eat grass and native plants, which makes them highly dependent on specific ecosystems.